One of the first things we're going to do with our evennia project is give it a friendly name. So in our development directory, you can see the name of our game, evennia, and our environment, our virtual environment there. But when we named our game, we gave it a directory name, something that would be really friendly on all devices. But I want to make it friendly to a human reader, so I want to make it capitalized right, have the right spaces, and so forth. So to do that, we go into our game, into the server, and then config folder. And in here, we have a settings.py. I already have that open here on the right. And we can scroll down. I've already updated the name, but your server name right here is the friendly name that you'll see on the top of a web browser or when you're launching the game. So you can still have a file-friendly name and a human-friendly name.